This is the elevator at the Burlington Mall, which is known as the Orange Pavilion in Burlington. This is the only one that's working. Here are the buttons, and it's Beckwith. 88 foam. It's pretty nice. No certificate, but I believe the speed's 120 feet per minute. Well, that passes 3,000. Let's take it up to 2 and look out the window. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Let's go back down to 1. Door pulls like push button. I like that. Very squeaky. Kone sensors. I'm gonna let the door close, and then we'll start the motor. Yeah, there it goes. That's one that's out of service. I don't think the bells work. And it will close up. I hope. Oh, there it goes, and that'll be it.